We'll see how many views.
Lonzo.
Hey, and also on eBay I'm selling an Xbox One X. One S. Nice.
You can say it at the end. You didn't even do an intro or
Yeah,
anything. What do you mean? And also, also to what?
I'm back in another video, and today we are going to be unboxing this is gonna be like a 30-second video.
Basically, we just got new soap. We want to test it out.
You already know. We get that bar soap.
I'll show you. There's two. Comes in a pack.
It comes in a pack, guys.
So let's open it. Let's open it.
Smell it from the outside the box. Psych! Get that out of here. We're actually unboxing this
GoPro Hero 5. I mean, GoPro Hero 7.
white.
Is it a session? That's a session.
It's not a session.
Basically,
It's the GoPro Hero 7
so
white.
we're gonna tell you what happened to our old GoPro.
Oh no, let me explain.
Our old GoPro.
My old GoPro. So basically,
You're recording fishes. Basically.
So yeah, we were recording underwater, and then water
somehow got into the camera, which is kind of crazy because
it's supposed to be.
It's literally waterproof. Waterproof.
Okay, so basically, yeah, and then so it took me like a month to like go to Best Buy.
She's slow, obviously.
Go to Best Buy and be like, yo, what's up? I'm saying, be like, my GoPro is like, you know, messing up and stuff, and I put it in rice and it still wasn't working.
Yeah.
So yeah,
2 days after. By the way.
Yeah. Slow. So we went to Best Buy and we were supposed to do an exchange, but it wasn't there. So they were like, it was supposed to be a exchange, but for the same price range instead of the same product. And then this was the same as the GoPro Hero 5 session. So, and this is probably better too because it has like a whole touchscreen and stuff. So yeah, but we'll explain later. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay. So
Basically, we're going. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna open it right here. We pull this. ASMR. Okay, but before we actually like open it.
I just have something to say.
Okay.
I really love you guys. I really want you guys to be happy. And I hope that everyone out there gets what they want for Christmas.
What? Christmas already passed. What? Okay, so outside the box, it says 10 MP, which is 10 megapixels.
But they aired it from the last video. If you want to know what it says on the outside of the box, watch the last video.
But except for this one has
2 times
slow-mo, and it has touchscreen.
And it's also white.
Yeah. Discrimination. AKA discrimination. Okay, so yeah, let's just get into the box because I mean, like, this is like kind of boring. Yeah.
I understand. You don't want to see this. I'm sure if you guys already are watching this video, you guys already saw some unboxings of this beautiful camera. So, you guys already know what's on the box, so we don't really need to tell you.
Okay.
It's basically.
Trying to be professional. Okay. So, I'm going to obviously.
She always talks about this. Do you still have the other ones?
I don't know what happened to it.
Mom threw it away probably because she took everything away.
This is what it looks like.
Basically,
yeah, on this outside, on the behind the box, it basically shows you how to like.
Wait, check. We gotta bring out the waves. You know, wave check. Wave check. We're gonna show you on the GoPro once we. Oh, okay, never mind. Wave check, guys.
Whoa. Okay, sit down.
Swimming. Oh, I know all of you guys are jealous.
Oh no, subscribe. Fell down. You can even see it anyway, whatever.
That's ratchet, Leia.
Okay, so basically, shut up. Behind the box, well,
Behind the box.
behind the box,
Behind the
on
box.
the box, behind the box. It shows how to clip it into the clip. I don't even know, but yeah, and it has like remove, and it shows how to clip it to this thing,
Clip
the
it.
top of it.
Click it.
So yeah,
Just like Ninja.
it looks like more futuristic than the Session, obviously, because like gang, it's the 7, not the 5. Like get the butt out of here.
Like we had it for like 1 year, like, and it's already broken.
It's already, but I only used it twice. Like get the heck out of here. Okay.
And you might be asking, why should I use it twice? When she had it for literally a year? Because she's slow. We already established that.
Okay, so we're gonna do the box first, and then we'll get to like the camera. Okay.
What?
You're not. Oh, never mind.
I am in the shot.
Okay, opening the box,
You can
see like nothing. It's not missing it.
You can see more box.
Stop. Okay, so there's like a little flap right here,
And you pull it down, basically,
and it comes
with the
this.
thing that you already know. Okay.
This. We have to show everything in the box. So shut up. A charger, same charger as last time. And another one of these things. Like these things, you clip on like something and it sticks to it, and then you just clip the GoPro on it. So yeah. And then it comes with
More stuff.
well, papers, which no one gives a crap about.
Papers.
How do you get the freaking papers out? Oh my god.
Wait, did we get trouble with this last time?
Holy crap.
Papers.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. Venus?
Does it have stickers?
Crap. I was scratching.
They're
Scratching it. So there's nothing else in the box, obviously, but I am going to.
Wait, let's do ASMR.
So what comes is this GoPro manual thing, little slip thing, and it tells you. It literally tells you like how to. Your basic guide, basically. Basic guide.
To how to work a GoPro.
Basically to how to do everything. So yeah.
Basically.
Put that there.
Basically.
Freaking thing that she opened here. And then the camera.
How's it freaking?
Okay, and then we have this big book that no one that no one cares about. So yeah, I'm gonna read some of it. Psych! Get the heck out of here.
Thought we could read. Illiterate.
Okay, so let's get to actually like unboxing the GoPro, what everything is on about. Obviously. Okay. Whoa.
What are the
I
hype
just
is
bent
about?
it. Well, no one cares about it anyway, so I mean like irrelevant. Okay.
Just like your YouTube channel.
So
Like,
when
you know, that's irrelevant, just like your YouTube channel.
that's gonna be cut out. Okay. So when you want to take it off, you twist it, and obviously you guys probably already know this if you guys are watching this video anyway. So yeah, you twist this.
Comment down below if you think Blair's YouTube channel is irrelevant.
Don't do that, please. Okay, and then you remove. Whoa, it's the thing that says remove. Just
How do y'all feel about you?
crap. Okay, and then you just take it off like this. Set it down right here, and then to take this off. Frick, we had trouble with this last time. We can't have trouble with this. Okay, you flip this up.
It's a whole video.
And then you, it's like tweezer thingy, so I think you push it in, and it goes backwards.
I was doing that, except it was just really hard for me. So please don't.
We're weak. I'm sorry, guys. We're weak. So yeah, and then you get this little
I'm
part out.
just a freshman. I'm just a freshman.
Okay, you get this little part out, as you guys can see. Ew. And this is what you slide into this. This is what you slide into this, or this. But yeah. So basically, that's it. And then
Wow.
this is
The
it.
GoPro Hero
7.
7.
White.
We have to do that.
They have to discriminate and make it white, black. I don't see color. I'm just kidding. Okay. So yeah, and then you just to take this part off. I don't know. So yeah. Okay, so it tells you to pull it back.
Just like grab your girlfriend. Take her back.
Wait.
Never mind. Don't take her back. Never take your exes back, guys.
I don't
Learn
know.
that the hard way.
Help needed. Help called.
Boom.
Come in the video. I need you.
What? Yeah, right.
No, come on,
I'm
come
not
on.
gonna be in your video.
No, I actually need you though. You don't have
For
to be.
what?
I'll edit you out, but I just need you to help.
You can blur.
Okay.
You have to blur my face.
Okay. Can you help me?
Can you help
What?
me?
So how do you do this?
Sir, 21 Savage.
I want to break it.
Wait.
Let's just watch a video.
Phone's out. Wait.
What?
So I want
You don't get your money.
So apparently, even though I don't have any nails, you pull this part up, and then you pull it up, and it just comes out like that. So, like, Alonzo, I'm sorry.
Let me just do it.
No.
I'm strong enough.
Jimmy's
Stop.
got
Let me
it.
just try. Let me just try.
No, come over here.
Alright, so what are we doing?
Just pull this up. Okay, it was that easy for him.
I could have done that too easily. You just were being too scared.
Just kidding. And then you just pull this part down, that obviously, and you just get the heck out. Oh my god, no one wants you in here. Okay.
Alright, I'm out. Check out my channel. Link will be down in the description.
Obviously
kidding.
not. Right.
Okay, yeah, it will be though. Okay. Ooh.
Slick.
It's
It's not even white. That's freaking gray. Colorblind. GoPro's colorblind.
okay.
Put that in the
So
comments.
this looks like it's kind of small, but bigger than what I had before.
Hey, that's a selfie camera?
You know what? It's freaking
Look, it's a selfie camera.
Okay, Jimmy, we see.
Look. Selfie camera. Wait,
Yep.
oh, never mind. It's not.
So
Never mind. No selfie camera. False alarm.
also, shut up. It's very smooth.
Very smooth.
What the heck? Getting the app, well, getting in the app. So yeah, about to add this. Add camera. Searching. Hurry the heck up. Okay, it shows it right now, and I'm just gonna press connect.
Where's my wallet?
See? As shown.
You're seeing my. You're seeing my.
And would you like to pair? It says, would you like to pair to iPhone? Obviously, I'm gonna pair because who wouldn't? Like, duh. Get all this stuff out the way.
Like, you
I don't-
send me some money from your own thing.
Save new name. Heck yeah.
But so basically, wait, this is the end. This is the end, right?
Yeah, it's in.
So basically, like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know how she outros these videos. I mean, she does her outros, so I'm just gonna be like this. And see you guys in the next one.